Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a new update on how to enable chat notifications on Instagram when using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your preferred browser. If you're already logged in, you're ready for the next step. Now, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the More icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a menu. In this menu, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to find the Notifications option. Click on it to access your notification preferences. Next, look for Push Notifications. This is where you'll adjust how you receive alerts for various activities on Instagram. Now, focus on the section labeled Messages from Individual and Group Chats. Here, you have the option to toggle notifications on or off. To make sure you never miss a message, simply choose On. And that's it. You've successfully enabled chat notifications on Instagram using your PC. By following these 5 simple steps, you can stay updated on your conversations without needing to check Instagram continuously. This new update makes it easier for users to manage their notifications and stay connected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching and happy chatting on Instagram.